Hello everyone, thanks for tuning in to today's third video, Team Weekend forecast. So today's third video, so as always on a Saturday, we're having a look at the weather for the week ahead with the charts from unsettled and also theweatheroutlook.com. And finally, both websites in the description with the video. I shall get off that for you in a moment. Just say that the first video release our 7 AM forecast. We've also released the second Winter 2021-2022 seasonal model roundup. Getting together 16 long-range models. See what they're all showing for the winter and for only the second time this season. Very interesting watch. And we've got the 10 to 14 there. All of the regular features coming up for you later on this afternoon. So please like, share, subscribe on videos. Thank you so much everybody for doing that. Right, so begin with radar pitch. Been very wet across many parts of the country through this morning. That rain is very quickly now clearing away into the North Sea. It has been moving rapidly across the country. We still have some very wet weather though across eastern Scotland and down the eastern coast. But very soon that rain will be moving off into the North Sea. And then we're left with sunshine and showers. Some quite heavy showers in the west, as you can see. West of Scotland, for example, showers merging into longer spells of rain there. And some pretty heavy showers through northwest England, Wales and southwest parts of England as well. Many central and east areas though will become dry once that wet weather gets out of the way. Here's today's Shortrange pressure chart. So the first low pressure that's brought today's wet weather, this morning's wet weather, clearing away into the North Sea. Got another low waiting in the wings. That will be with us tonight and tomorrow. In between, have a little bit of a transient ridge, but will give us a window of drier, brighter weather this afternoon. So, for the rest of this afternoon, we're going to see that wet weather very quickly now clearing into the North Sea. And then we're left with sunshine and showers in the north and west, many southern and east areas. Once the rain clears away, we'll be mostly dry with pretty decent sunny spells. It's a cooler day today, cooler, fresher feel. Temperatures ranging from around, say, 7 to 15 degrees. 15 is 59 in Fahrenheit. Overnight tonight, this next area of low pressure will start to deepen and move in from off the Atlantic. However, through the evening, most areas will be dry with long, clear spells. And we'll see the showers fading out across the northwest. And then by the end of the night, we're going to find wet and windy weather arriving across Ireland, Wales, southwestern England. So that rain will be very heavy and could be driven in by a strong to near gale force southerly wind gusts by the end of the night around those Irish Sea coasts, probably going up to around 60 miles an hour. Most other areas though will have a dry night. It's going to be quite a cold night in northern and eastern areas with temperature going down to around 1 to 6 degrees. So low enough for some ground frost across Scotland and northeastern parts of England. Of course, as the wet and windy weather rolls in, temperatures then start to lift up. Tomorrow, Sunday, looks very unsettled. Deep low pressure is over top of the country. I'll take heavy rain through the country and also some very tight back ice bars, particularly later on in the west. Could see the wind going at around severe gale force across western areas, perhaps gusts up to 70 miles an hour. But we will start off with that band of heavy rain and strong winds lashing the country. As with this morning's rain, it will move very quickly across the country, so probably about an hour, maybe a couple of hours of really wet weather, and then sweeping away. Although the rain could hang on through much of the day across eastern and northeastern parts of Scotland, but that's the exception. Most areas will see that rain getting blown out into the North Sea quite quickly after a spell of, though, very wet and windy weather. Behind that, it'll brighten up with sunshine and showers. But as this low pressure comes in from the west, we will probably see the showers merging into longer spells of rain in western areas. It will be a windy day as well across the board. Gusts of wind go around 40, 50 mile an hour. And around those Irish Sea coasts, I say, gusts might go to 60 or 70 mile an hour, which is severe gale force. That low pressure transfers towards northern Scotland as we go through into Monday, leaving us in a classic sunshine and shower scenario. So sunny night is going to be a little bit wild, especially in the north and west, with heavy rain and strong gale force winds pushing northeastwards. Anywhere could get showers on Sunday night, but I think many of them will be in the west and north, where they'll merge into longer spells of rain at times as well. So Monday starts off very showery, very wet across the northern areas. I think basically going today, sunshine and showers, but longer spells of rain probably keep going across central, northern, eastern parts of Scotland, close to the area of low pressure. But otherwise, it's a case but sunshine and showers. Pretty windy, especially so in the north. A little bit light with winds down in the south, but not too many showers getting through to southern and eastern areas. Temperatures range from around 7 to 14 degrees. That's the temperature we have on Sunday as well, by the way. Right, so go through to Tuesday, and the low pressure will transfer into the southern Norwegian Sea then, and we start to put in a colder northerly wind. So Tuesday, it's basically a case of sunshine and showers. Many of the showers will be in the north and around western and eastern coast. Very few, if any, showers inland and down in the south. Although on the south coast, we might see some longer spells of rain during the course of Tuesday afternoon. Temperatures on Tuesday will be a little bit colder again, so ranging from around 6 to 13, just 55 Fahrenheit. Watch out for a widespread frost perhaps on Tuesday night. Wednesday, we're into a showery northerly, so again, it really is a case of sunshine and showers. Most showers around coastal fringes, and up in the north, the showers will be wintry, probably even to quite low levels across northern parts of Scotland, and wintry showers possible over high ground into southern Scotland, for example, maybe over Pennines as well. Could be a few snowflakes coming through. But again, I have to emphasise, many areas will stay dry on Wednesday with plenty of sunshine. Quite a cold day though. Temperatures only around 5 to 11 or 12 degrees, and there is likely to be a frost early and late. Into Thursday, high pressure begin to topple in then from off the Atlantic, so that will kill off any showers that are remaining. Perhaps a few down the east coast, but most places, I think, by Thursday will be dry with plenty of sunshine. As its high pressure topples in, we'll lose the wind, and so we perhaps start to get a little bit more in the way of mist and fog developing early and late. So watch out for some quite dense fog patches, particularly perhaps for England and Wales. By the end of Thursday, perhaps turning a little bit milder for northern Scotland with cloud and patchy outbreaks of rain. Temperatures on Thursday, again, quite cold, only around 5 to 11 degrees. High pressure then slips southwards as we go through into Friday, starting to allow milder air to come in from the Atlantic into the north. Anyway, so Scotland and Northern Ireland probably turning cloudy with outbreaks of light rain in the far northwest. England and Wales mostly dry with bright or sunny spells. Watch out for some dense fog patches, perhaps in places. Probably still cold enough for a touch of overnight frost down in the south, but in the north we should be frost-free. Temperatures begin to lift up in the north, probably up to around 8 or 9 degrees. In the south, probably around 10, 11 or 12 degrees. But it does depend whether we have any fog lingering. If fog lingers, then it will be significantly colder than that. And then into next weekend, we go back into unsettled weather. Really, the high pressure slips away and low pressure comes back in from the Atlantic. So Saturday, probably taking a band of wet and windy weather across the country, back into sunshine and showers by the time we get through into Sunday. Temperatures will be milder. Right, so just have a look at charts and weather outlook. Today, we've got the wet weather clearing away into the North Sea, leaving us with sunshine and showers. Tomorrow, going to be thoroughly wet and windy, especially through the morning, and then into the afternoon, we'll find that persistent rain being replaced by sunshine and showers. Winds could reach severe gale force around western coast. Sunshine and showers into Monday, and most showery conditions lasting into Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. The showers will probably turn wintry across the northern half of the country, or certainly in the far north of the country anyway. Northern Scotland will see wintry showers. And it'll be generally quite a cold feel. Overnight frost as well is definitely possible for the middle part of the week. By the time we get through to the end of the week, turns a little bit milder in the north. Still quite chilly though down in the south. Watch out for an increasing risk of fog perhaps towards the latter stages of the week, especially in more southern areas. Right, so that's it then. In summary, it looks like we're going to be starting off wet and windy, quite stormy to begin. Then we go colder and showery, and then we end the week on a mostly dry note, although the north will get a little bit milder, the south probably staying quite cold until next weekend, by which time all areas should be back into mild weather. So very, very classic November, sort of late autumn weather coming up in the week ahead. We'll be back shortly with your 10 to 14 Gav. It's going to include all of the regular features, so come back for that then. For the weekend forecast, so that's all for now, and thanks for watching.